Everyone, hope so you are doing well. Let's begin with the topic blood group system. Blood group system. There are basically four main blood groups defined as ABO system. Blood group A, blood group B, blood group O, and blood group AB, which is further categorized with the positivity or negativity sign. How can we determine that individual had what type of blood group? If a patient has antigen A on RBCs, the patient has blood group A. If it has antigen B, then patient has a blood group B. If there is no antigen on their RBCs, it means blood group is O. If patient has both antigen, their blood group is AB. And different antigens produces different antibodies. Like antigen A presence on RBCs, red blood cell, produce antibodies B. And similar with the B antigen produce anti-A bodies. And blood group O, no antigens having anti-A and B both antibodies in their plasma. And if patient has AB blood group and AB antigen are present on their RBCs, then there will be no antibodies. So basically, when we learn about the blood group system, we definitely should be known कि patient what type of individual can receive or donate blood group. So blood group, recipient blood type, and donor blood type. On the left side there is a recipient, on right side there is a donor's blood type. If individual has A positive blood group, it can receive blood from A positive, A negative, O positive, and O negative. A negative individual can receive blood from A negative and O negative. B positive recipient can receive blood from B positive, B negative, O positive, O negative. And B negative can receive blood from B negative and O negative. Here you are watching constantly O negative is donor. Yes, O negative is a universal donor that can donate blood to everyone. But O negative recipient can receive blood from O negative. Only about 7% individual has O negative blood type. And AB positive is a universal recipient that can receive blood from all type of blood donors. Like AB positive is compatible with all other blood types, A, B, O, positive, negative, all with. So we have studied about antigen antibodies. What does that mean? Here are some terminologies. Patient has flu. Influenza virus is basically allergens or antigens. Whenever it gets entered in our body makes antibodies against it and provides strong immune system to our body. For instance, if patient has pneumonia, Streptococcus pneumoniae is infectious agent, it may be antigen. And whenever it gets entered in our body makes antibodies against it and provides a strong immune system to our body. That is antibodies. Like every antibody is specific to every antigen. Like what type of antigen is getting entered into our bodies, that particular antigen determine what type of antibodies are going to produce. It's basically depends on our RBCs. Like our RBCs has antigen A, it will also produce antibodies B. Like it has a different correlation. Hope so you will learn more about it, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe at Red Sardod Kalim.